Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Namecheap DNS settings for SEO tracking step by step clearly. To set up your Namecheap DNS settings for SEO tracking, begin by logging into your Namecheap account. Locate the domain list on the left-hand menu. Find the domain you want to configure and click on the Manage button next to it. In the Domain Management page, scroll down to the Name Servers section. Select Custom DNS from the drop-down menu. Now, open a new tab and log into your SEO tracking tool. Navigate to the Settings or Configuration section of your SEO tracking tool. Look for the DNS Settings or Verification section. Find the specific DNS records you need to add, typically in the format of TXT or name records. Return to the Namecheap Domain Management page. Click on the Advanced DNS tab at the top. In the Host Records section, click on Add New Record. Choose the type of record from the drop-down, usually TXT or name. In the Host field, enter the specified value from your SEO tracking tool. In the Value field, paste the verification code or URL provided by the tool. Set the TTL, time to live, to the default value for now. Save your changes once all entries are correctly filled. Wait for the changes to propagate, which may take a few minutes to several hours. Return to your SEO tracking tool. Follow the provided steps to confirm that your DNS settings have been properly configured. Once verified, your domain will be successfully authorized for SEO tracking. You can now start collecting data and insights for your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.